Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are safe and stay at home only. Welcome back to Mahila Samaja online classes. Class 7th standard, subject English, topic avoid plastics part 2. Once we recall what we have learnt in previous session. Today, plastic is more used because it is cheap, long lasting and easy to make. Plastics can be molded into any form by heating. Today, it is used as carry bags or packing material. People dispose it everywhere as it is cheap and easily available. It affects our environment because it stays on the earth's surface for many centuries. It doesn't decompose, so causes environmental hazards. Plastic pollution is highly concentrated in big cities. As plastic is non-biodegradable, it remains in the soil in the same form. These are the points we have discussed in previous session. Let us go next passage. Plastic causes serious damage to the environment at every stage of its production or even in its disposal. To reduce the risks involved in plastic, the usage should be minimized, which can result in production. The chemical that is used in the production of plastics is toxic and can cause serious damage to all living beings. The production and disposal of plastic causes serious damage to the environment. Hence, we should minimize the usage of plastic. And one more, we burn the plastics, but burning them is also not the solution because burning emits toxic gases that harm. The major chemical which is used in the manufacturing of plastic is highly toxic, poisonous, and it can cause serious damage to all living beings. Plastics are a hazard to wildlife animals. Hazard means danger if they are not disposed properly. It causes death also. Plastic bags clogs roadside drains, which could cause the flooding of the street at heavy rainfall. And exposure to harmful chemicals during manufacturing, leaching in the stored food items while using plastic packages or chewing of plastic teethers and toys by children are linked with severe adverse health outcomes such as cancers, birth defects, impaired immunity, etc. Hence, plastics are harmful all living beings, human beings and animals and birds. Next, even recycling of plastic cause problems. The worst thing is that recycling degrades the quality of plastic and demands the production of more plastic to make an original product. A single plastic sheet can take about 1,000 years to rot. It also has bad impact on the food chain. Plastic is one of the cause for global warming. Recycling of plastic degrades the quality of plastic. When we recycling the plastic, we cannot get best quality of plastic, and it need more plastics to make an original product. Already I told you in previous session, 91% of plastics can't be recycled. Only 9% of plastic can reuse. And plastic can take thousands of years to decay. For the average plastic bag to break down, it takes an indefinite period of time, hundreds of years or thousands of years. And plastic also had bad impact on food chain. Plastic already has entered the food chain. Animals carry microplastics in their bodies when they are themselves eaten. Those microplastics are also ingested. While eating food, they also eat microplastics also. Microplastics means tiny plastics. Along with food, they used to eat these plastics also, and those microplastics are entered their body also. Since one animal eats another, microplastics can move through the food chain. It affects on human beings also if they eat seafood. And then plastic is one of the causes global warming. Do you know, children, about global warming? Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's climate system. It occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants, that is fossil fuel burning and so on, and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface. Now, plastics dumped in the rivers, which affects water, and it pollute water and impacts of marine life. Marine life means the animals which live in water. Ocean pollution from plastics could also pose a danger to human health. See, these plastic dumped in the rivers, it pollute water and impacts of marine life which we live in water, and also air that we breathe. So, plastics are harmful and they cause us water pollution, air pollution and soil pollution. A 2008 study in the journal Environmental Research found that approximately 44% of all seabirds have eaten plastic, and nearly 270 marine species are negatively affected by the garbage. But many people who get profit from plastics are trying to dispute the harm that it causes. Yes, because they are getting profit from plastics. That's why they are not ready to accept this. Okay, children, what are the remedies to avoid plastics? It is very difficult to stop using plastic because plastic is everywhere. It has become the part of our life. But awareness programs are to be carried out, informing the people the hazards of using plastic. Hazards means dangerous, and we can definitely minimize its production by using other things. Instead of plastic plate, we can use banana leaf, isn't it? And then government should hire taxes on plastics because plastic is very cheap and easily available. So we buy more and more plastics, isn't it? And instead of plastic bag, we have to use jute bag, cloth bag or paper bags. And we should avoid plastic bottled water and to drink coffee or tea in plastic glasses and switch to organic food items. And for a healthy future, let us say goodbye to plastic. And children, you can also prepare the posters to create sensitivity to avoid the plastics among masses. In posters, you can write some slogans. I'll give some examples. Slogans for avoid plastics. Plastics give a helpful hand, but they are polluting our land. If we are fantastic, then do something drastic to cut the plastic. Go green. Plastic is obscene. Handle with care. Plastic is everywhere. Don't be drastic. Say no plastic. Stop bagging the planet. Say no to plastic bags. Okay? I hope you have understood. Now it's time for home assignment. First question: how long can plastic take to decompose? How long can plastic take to decompose? Second question: how does it have a bad impact on the earth? How does it have a bad impact on the earth? Thank you, children.